In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to manage certificates within the Chromebook web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Chromebook web browser and select the menu icon up at the top right. Go down and select Settings. On the left side, select Privacy and Security. And then on the right, you want to select the Security button. And then scrolling down, there should be a Certificates Managed by Chromium. You can select that, or you can just manage certificates, which is right above that. You can go ahead and import certain certificates in here for servers, authorities, or other services or sites as well. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.